Okay, out squidding today for bait. Good tip is find some ledges with some weed. It's midday, it's not an ideal time for squidding. How the fuck did I miss that? It's embarrassing. School of squid down there. So I'm just going to chuck this out there. Swap rods because I've got one on this one. Now where the fuck did they go? There's one. It's just sitting there. I'm not sure if you can see him. It's coming up for a whitey. I've got another one over there. There's two. He's got whitey. Oop, he let go of whitey. Okay, there's two more. Not sure if you can see them. But they're definitely there. Oop, coming for whitey. He's got whitey, but he hasn't got him. Oh, there we go. Got whitey. I'll see that one come up then. Come on, little fella. Right. Let's see. Oh, there he's going for the red one. Got him. Excellent. It's not a bad little session, that one. Alrighty. Now to pack them, ready for a trip up north.